Welcome back, future medicos. KEA, that is Karnataka Examinations Authority, has released the mock allotment results. Generally, Karnataka does this mock allotment before the real counselling. That is, before the round one counselling starts, they do this mock allotment just to give you an idea. As a candidate, when I am participating, this is more like a trial. This is more like testing, understanding the choice filling, understanding what kind of college will I get, what are the colleges participating, what is the fee structure, what are the different types of seats are available, right? So to understand, this is more like a trial, which is done generally by Karnataka. Now, after this mock allotment is over, they show the results. And you are allowed to make any changes to your options entry, or you can make any changes to your choice filling. Basically, in other places, we call it choice filling. Karnataka calls it as options entry. So you can make changes to your options entry. There is no problem. Say, for example, you got a college, but you don't like that college. Maybe by mistake, you put a college where the fee structure is very high. Now you can make changes to the options entry. Or maybe you didn't get any college, but if you have put a particular college and you might have got a seat, then probably like you can change the choices. So currently we are going to look at the mock allotment results, and particularly I'm going to focus on the open category. That is the open category that comes under the private. I'm going to give you what is the fee structure in a particular medical college and what is the closing rank for that medical college. I'm going to cover the private medical colleges and private universities, but please remember I'm covering only the open category in this video, which is of high interest to candidates from other states. So I'm covering this open category, which is most of the students are interested. So I have shown you the college name, all India rank and fee structure. So the topmost medical college in Karnataka under the open category is generally St. John's Medical College, Bangalore. So once again, this medical college is at the top and the closing rank is as high as 9,092, right? The closing rank for St. John's Medical College under the open category is 9,092. And the fee structure, this is the tuition fees alone is shown, which is about 8,10,000 this year. The second college is Kempagowda Institute of Medical Sciences, or KIMS. The tuition fees is roughly about 12 lakhs and it closed at an all India rank of 28,663. So most of the private medical colleges, the fee structure is roughly around 12 lakhs, which is the tuition fees. Of course, whenever there is a private university, I will try to highlight. Otherwise, you can assume that it is 12 lakhs. So Kempagowda is at number 2 with an all India rank of 28,600. At the third position, we have Vaidehi Institute, which closed at 30,000 all India rank. At the fourth position, we have Father Muller Institute, which closed at an all India rank of 32,400. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Medical College closed at an all India rank of 36,300. BGS Global Institute in Bangalore, this is the private medical college at a fee structure of 12 lakhs. It closed at 41,200. AJ Institute closed at 44,300. JJM Medical College closed at 45,100. MVJ Medical College closed at 45,900. At the 10th position, we have Akash Institute, which closed at 52,033. At the 11th position, we have the Oxford Medical College, which closed at 52,400. Shaimanuru Shivashankarappa closed at 53,000. Mahadevappa closed at 53,500. East Point Medical College closed at 57,300. Al-Amin Medical College closed at 64,000. And at the 16th position, we have MS Ramaya Medical College. This is where you need to look at the fee structure. This is not 12 lakhs. This is 25 lakhs per year. So the tuition fees in MS Ramaya Medical College, which is a private university, the fee structure is 25 lakhs per year, which is the tuition fees alone I'm talking about. And it closed at 65,500 all India rank. Siddhaganga Medical College closed at 66,600. Again, we have colleges with 12 lakhs fees. Kanchur Institute closed at 67,600. Nijalingappa closed at 71,000. Sri Basaveshwara closed at 71,980. This is the college at the 20th position. At the 21st position, we have Subbaiah Medical College, which closed at 72,600. Sridevi Institute closed at 75,000. Navodaya Medical College closed at 75,400. And Srinivasa Institute of Medical Sciences. This is a college just recently converted to private university status. Until last year, this college was affiliated to Rajiv Gandhi University and was charging 12 lakhs. But this year, this college was converted to a private university status. That's why the fee structure is 22 lakhs 25,000. So probably many of us didn't realize this until the choice filling started or options entry started, or only when the fee structure was released. Until then, it was not very clear. Maybe that's the reason the college may be high in the cutoff. Probably when people realize the fees is higher, maybe I'm expecting the college might come down. But anyway, Srinivasa closed at 75,000 All India rank. Venkatramana Gowda closed at 75,690. Again, this is at 12 lakhs only. Chamundeshwari closed at 76,000. SR Patil Medical College closed at 77,481. So this is the college that has 12 lakhs fees and the least cutoff. So if you are looking for a seat at 12 lakhs fees, the mock allotment shows that the cutoff is going to be as high as 77,400. Of course, I'm not saying this is the final results. This is only kind of like dummy. This is only mock. The real results we don't know. But I don't think it will be too much different. Don't expect from 77,000 it's going to be like 177,000 or 277,000. It may not happen. But it may not be exactly the same. There could be some differences. But please be prepared that it's going to be quite high cutoff for private colleges with 12 lakhs fees. Now going down from the 28th position, we have the private universities. Of course, they have different fee structure. Different colleges have different fee structure. Khaja Bande Nawaz is the lowest fee structure among private universities at 16.3 lakhs. It closed at 85,600 All India rank. SDM Darbad, the fees is 20 lakhs and it closed at All India rank 98,000. Sri Madhusudan Sai Institute, the fees is mentioned as 22 lakhs. Last year it mentioned as 25. This year they are mentioned at 22 lakhs. It closed at an All India rank of 1,16,000. Then two colleges have the fee structure of 22 lakhs and 15,000. PES closed at 1,34,000. BGS closed at 1,39,000. Then Saptagiri closed at 1,44,000 and its fee structure is roughly 22.4 lakhs per year for the tuition. Then we have Adichunchunagiri, which has a fee structure of 22.15 lakhs, and Chandrama Dayananda also has 22.15. Adichunchunagiri closed at 1,56,000 and Chandrama Dayananda has closed at 1,60,767. So if you look at the overall mock allotment results for Karnataka, the lowest candidate to get a seat is 1,60,767 at a fee structure of 22,15,000. Of course, MS Ramaya has the highest fee structure, that is 25 lakhs, but it has a higher cutoff. So the lowest cutoff for private medical colleges is SR Patil, which is 77,481, which comes at 12 lakhs fees. Whereas if you are okay to go higher, let's say right 22 lakhs, then probably you can think about Adichunchunagiri and Dr. Chandramma, both closed at around 1,60,000. Now you can use these results as a guide for your round one choice filling, or maybe whether you want to have a backup somewhere, then probably get ready. So the cutoffs in round one, at least in Karnataka, generally is higher. Last year also round one cutoff was quite high. This year also it seems round one cutoff may be higher, but there is a very likelihood the round two cutoff may come down like last year. But anyway, of course, we don't know what could happen in the future. Use this as a reference. Thank you. Bye-bye.